Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I want to talk about, based on the title, as you can see here, from my video, I think I'm getting a craving for Trini, Roti and Pholourie. Today I don't really feel like cooking today, so I'll just chat with you guys today and we have a little conversation, right? So you know, I like to tell stories. So I was talking my story from that was on Monday. My husband and I, we decided to go to a place called Trellis Bay Market on Beef Island in Tortola, well, actually the British Virgin Islands, right? And we went to have a roti. So that's what we decided to have. So I told my husband, I said, let's buy one and we'll divide it into two, and he will have half and I have the other half. I didn't really feel to have too much food, right? And he said, no problem, okay, we'll buy one roti and share it. So we got the roti and everything, and he's a very picky eater, he's very funny, right? So first thing he was saying that this is not tasting good. So I said, shucks, he was fussing and stuff, you know, so I didn't bother with him. So after a few bites from my half of the roti, now I said that something is not, you know, tasting too right, you know, and not to say it was spoiled, it just wasn't tasting nice, it just didn't taste good. And guess what, I didn't eat my whole half. This is the first time in my life I didn't eat a whole roti. And make it worse, I only had half of the roti and I left back a piece of that half of the roti. It didn't taste good at all. It wasn't tasty. It just, like, I don't know, it didn't seem like they used curry. I don't know what type of curry they used. It had no taste. And even some of the chicken, the meat itself, it wasn't really tasty, and I didn't enjoy it at all, right? And what I find they like to do a lot, I think this is a normal thing, they put a lot of potato. I find like my eating habits now, if I'm eating like a roti, I prefer not to have, excuse me, I prefer not to have too much potato. I find a lot of them that they put a lot of potato with the chicken roti, right? I find that with the roti and the potato is too much carbohydrates to me, so sometimes I prefer not to have the potato with my roti and stuff, you know. So, and yeah, so I didn't enjoy the roti at all, right? I left back piece of the roti. So really a new thing for me. So I think maybe I'm getting homesick for my Trini food, you know. So anyway, so what happened yesterday, and I was watching my son-in-law video. We did an impromptu video while I was there in Trinidad, right? We went to a roti shop in Tunapuna area and we bought a roti, and we did a video on what we were eating, but before we began to do the roti at the roti shop, I remember specifically I wanted a vegetarian roti, right? So my son-in-law is saying, who does that? Who orders vegetarian roti? I said to him, you know, well, being the BVI, we don't really have the options of getting vegetarian roti like that. If you do get a vegetarian roti, they might give you like potato with the chana, and that's about it, right? I like to get like the you'll get like bodi as like a string beans, like they'll curry that. You might get like a pumpkin tal curry, you might get like spinach, things like that, and I just love that, right? And if I could get those things, I wouldn't eat any meat, right? So what I did was I ordered the, like I said, pumpkin tal curry, I ordered the spinach, and I ordered the bodi, I think. And on the side now, I wanted to have a little meat, right? I ordered some curry goat at the side, so I customized my roti order, right? So he was just laughing at me, and I said, you know, we don't really get that option in Tortola, so I'm getting it now. I'm going to enjoy it, right? So looking at the video, at his video now that we did together, you know, I was there with him and he was recording us eating the food and everything. I'll leave a clip on the top right hand part of the screen so you can check out the video, right, that he did. And you know, it just brought back memories, you know. I'm so craving for that roti right now, especially as I had a roti on Monday that didn't taste good at all, you know. And the roti that I had in Trinidad was so good. And of course I had the bus up short, you know, and then my mouth is watering right now. Shucks. Anyway, on top of all of that, now we went another day. Now we went to a place called Hosein's Roti Shop. It's another eating venture now that every time I see his my son-in-law did another video too as well, and every time I see his thumbnails, oh God, I get a serious craving for this Pholourie. Now the story for this one goes like this now. We normally go to Hosein's Roti Shop to get the roti and the Pholourie and thing, right? Now this year my daughter and I, we went on one occasion in Tunapuna. They have a branch in Tunapuna, EBOOK, and Rima. I don't know if they have any more branches, but I don't know other branches, but these are three that I know, right? So my daughter and I went to the one in Tunapuna, and we ordered some Pholourie, and we also some aloo pies, potato pies, and the potato pies and the pholourie did not taste good at all. The pholourie had a, normally I know pholourie being like a nice round shape, ball shape, and what Hosein roti shop had at that time, the pholourie looked like flops. They wasn't impressive at all, and plus it didn't taste good. We were really surprised at how that the pholourie didn't look good at all. So that was one. Then I remember branch. It was the same thing. The pholourie didn't look good at all. It wasn't impressive. But this last time I went, now it was my husband and I and my son-in-law. We went to the EBOOK branch this time. That's close to where my mom's house is. And here, man, they had just bring out a fresh batch of the pholourie, and they were nice and round shape and was fresh and stuff. And they served it with like I think it was a mango chutney. Boy, that thing tastes so good. Every time I see my son-in-law's thumbnail, my mouth just dribbling, man. I think I'm getting a serious homesick feeling for Trini food. Could you believe that? That never happened to me before, you know. And I think I kind of like really appreciating the kind of food that, you know, I'm accustomed to, because like here in Trinidad, we are limited. 1, 2, my husband's very a picky eater, so I just basically cook food for what he likes and kind of like, you know, just a butter, you know. But I really need to start back that, but you know. But I really miss the good tasting food, the rotis, the pasap shot, the curry, the pholourie. There I go again, I'm craving again. I just had to share the story with you guys, a chat today. You know, and I don't know if you guys know about this new thing that YouTube has with for YouTubers, small YouTuber channels, like with you must have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers able to monetize your videos and stuff. So a lot of YouTubers, small YouTubers, are like kind of wondering, you know, what's going to happen to their channels. But we all have to keep on going. My channel, this channel particularly, is okay, but I have 3 other channels that, you know, will lose monetization from those channels because I didn't qualify for the 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers. But I'm confident that it will build, right? Because I'll keep on posting videos. I'm not going to give up because it's fun. I like doing it. And sometimes too, when I talk about something, it may not fall in the category of this channel, so I might put it in the other channels, you know what I mean, to keep it in, you know. I don't want to have everything in one channel. That's how I like to do my stuff, you know. So okay, I think I talk enough for the morning. Right? Yeah, I'm adjusting here to the BVI. I just finished cleaning up some areas. I have a lot of work to do, so bit by bit. But my husband and I have decided that we're not gonna buy anything. We're not gonna do anything much because the rain is falling. As the rain falls, certain parts of the house are still leaking, so we can't afford to buy more stuff to have it damaged. So we just what we have, we make that do. And yeah, okay guys, thanks for listening to me. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.